By the way, my name is O'Neal Parker. Make sure you go follow my Instagram, Real Estate Period Entrepreneur. So today I'm about to go to just getting to the title company, about to pick up a check. No, I'm about to pick up some documents, got to get some stuff from Texas. Got a meetup tonight, so make sure y'all stay tuned for all that. Got my boy Byron and Brian coming from Houston and Beaumont, so should have a good time. So y'all make sure y'all stay rocking with me. I'll take y'all with me throughout my day.
I rented it to this young couple, and they really trashed it up.
How much you rented it for?
Let's see, $350 a month, I think it was. That's been 5 or 6 years ago.
Okay.
And in my company, Cypress Minerals, they're in Austin, Texas, and I'm sort of the go-between on this situation.
All right.
So, I'd like to know if you're interested in either tearing it down or moving it off, but don't do a big thing before you let me know, because I got,
right.
You gotta go between the company.
All right.
So,
well, text me an address. I could probably, if not today, I can definitely go tomorrow.
that's fine. Whatever you get so I'll wait to hear from you.
All right. Nice speaking with you.
Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.
All right, bye. Somebody coming by the trailer on 2.5 acres of land. They want like $50,000. An all-field company own it, so I'm probably gonna check it out. If not today, tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. Now I'm here about to get a haircut. So y'all about to see the before and after. And then after this, I don't know if I'm probably gonna work out. Might go see the venue for the meetup tonight. So not really sure what's next. So y'all stay tuned. I may go look at the house, or I might just wait until tomorrow. So like I said, stay tuned to see the after haircut, and then see where I go next.
I'm be honest, my why was selfish. It was like, I just want to make some more money. If I can make an extra $40,000 a year, I'll be okay. Good. And the reason why is because when I first started, I was living in the projects. As graduates, I lived in the projects, right? And I was completely fine with it. I'm like, look, I'm good. You know what I mean? Because for me, like I said, I've been through a tragic situation. And what was the number one things I needed? Money, right? So for me, I'm like, I ain't spending no money. Now I'm trying to save up everything just in case something go wrong. I'm good. So I was living on about 50% of my income coming out of nursing school as a graduate nurse, and I wasn't making a bunch of money.
That's why I'm just focusing on Facebook for right now. Like I said, that first campaign I did coming out of Chico course, I took the course.
That's money right there.
Bro, I stayed in an Airbnb. I had to pull that shit up because I couldn't remember what neighborhood it was. Yo, they bought a whole. It was an engineer. It was an engineer that bought. It's like a 16 unit. They bought the whole thing. They got the whole unit. Every unit as an Airbnb. Somebody said they put their whole life savings into it.